Now, household word in my house, Mencia.
Is that when somebody pulls the underwear from somebody behind? Oh.
No, I think that's the name of your cat.
You know, this folk, I told you this story earlier. At the risk of repeating myself,
Which he said I do, but go ahead.
these folks, classic environment of the wine world, thinking, well, if we bring in wines from, you know, our indigenous home, we're going to make a lot of money. And we met this guy at a party at our house. He came to the neighborhood community party, and he tells me his cousin owns vineyards in this little area called Sacra, Ribera de Sacra in Spain. And, you know, how would you suggest bringing the wines in? So they came out, and I said, find a wholesaler, find an importer, bring in a few cases, you know, 20 each varietal, and see if you can sell them. No. They go rent a warehouse, bond it, spend all this money, bring in a container.
Which is 1,200 cases, by the way.
And then they try to sell it. And so 2 years later, they came back, and I said, how's it going? They go, it's really hard. I'm like, oh, geez, shocker. And very attractive young lady that sells the wine, and she's a talk show host in Vegas or something for the Spanish-speaking
Wow. Well, that
community.
usually works. Good-looking women sell a lot of wine.
Well, in this case, the wine's really good.
Well, there you go. Well, this is spectacular. I mean, this is one of those red wines that has a white wine sort of component in this peach flavor that, you know, almost like, I hate to use the word, but sangria, but it's not sweet, but it has that kind of fruit component in there.
I kind of agree with that because in the beginning, you get that. And so it's almost like one of those Viognier, you know, Syrah blends that they
Exactly.
make, right? You pick up those components, but they're not overbearing.
Yeah, it just adds more complexity and makes the wine much more interesting. This is a really fascinating wine, and I really like it. I'm doing it.
Mencia being an indigenous grape from this area, and by the way, we're well known. The Wine of the Month Club now is well known in Riax's Sacra, or Ribera de Sacra, because we brought these wines in, and we're going to be written in the local trade magazine in that area for supporting the brand and supporting the grape, because I've never tasted the Mencia from anywhere else. Have you?
Yeah, I've had a few of them, and this is definitely the best I've tasted. I haven't had one for a million years, and they were pretty rank wines. You know, I mean, the quality of wines all around the world has really gone up significantly because there's so much that you have to have good wine. Anyway, I'm doing a 95 on this.
I'll go 95 too as well. You know, I think I told you this. My father-in-law was so excited. He came in yesterday.